So he was requesting a song we wrote about a band called the Loco Gringos. And instead of doing a song about the Loco Gringos, we're going to do a song that they wrote. It's on our second album. It's kind of funny. It's called Nurture My Pig. It's all about this guy. Okay, here's the deal. I had this girlfriend, and we're driving around listening to this song, Pig, Baby, I Got a Pig. Come on, baby, you and my pig. And we're listening to this band, their cassette tape, their demo they made, And I was laughing, and I was saying, wow, this is funny because this song is completely about sex. And she said, no, it's not. She said, I know Tom, and he actually has a pig. And Tom was a pretty funny guy. He actually did have a pet pig. But I said, look, I know Tom too, and I know he has a pig, but this song is completely about sex, okay? It's not about the pig, okay? It's about a different type of pig that doesn't live on the ground. Anyway, so I got rid of her a long time ago, so I knew right then too. Here we go with a little thing called Nurture My Pig.